Good morning, everyone. I'm just coming back from a walk, and I'm going to show you what construction is like around here. This is a new, I'm pretty sure it's a house. There's no commercial back here. So let's get a closer look. Most of the time they use wood 4x4 or 3x4 for their bracing and all. Here they've got what's purposed as their bracing and all, and that's more proper, I would say. But so they have columns, they run columns, and you can see the ironwork up there. But I have yet to see where the columns are tied to the blocks. Well, on this one it does, you notice, every 2 foot or so. So that's the first time I've seen that. Here's a septic, and here's typical block work. And I guess they'll cut their overflows in later, because I don't see any right here. Or else they'll go up more on the side blocks. But yeah, this is typical. Here you go. And with a septic, they're not likely to finish, or they might finish the inside just for more of a seal. I don't know what they're going to do. But here you go. Not a huge house, so they go up a couple stories, and little by little, it takes forever. Now, in some areas you're required to take a 2-meter space between another house, and a lot of these houses, of course that'll show on a permit, but they don't inspect here. So people crowd the borders. They come within 6 inches or so of lot lines, and that's what you get here. Now, usually you need several meters before any public road and a house. So what do we got here? About 2 meters. Let's say 2.5 to 3. So that's what happens here. So yeah, columns have footers. At least, no, I don't know about this house. I would suspect so. But after that, well, let's see. Yeah, this one has re-rod on the side too, every 2 foot. Well, that's a plus. I haven't seen that before. At least in the province, you don't see that at all. They just run it in between the pillars, and which aren't ever so neat as this. But that's your typical construction here. This guy seems to be on the upside of the quality, such as it is. You know, what do we got here? Well, that'll give you an idea. So you builders out there, you can see what happens around here. By the way, I've never seen a level being used, never. So on the block. So I'm not sure what they do. They wait till the end, the top to run a line with a level or something. I don't know. But such as it is. So with that, I'm going to shut her down. Getting close to home here. So have a good rest of the day. Thanks for watching. Bye now.